Display 3 integrates directly with the 3D CAD application SketchUp, allowing users to import simple or complex venues and add Martin Audio loudspeaker sources to create comprehensive system designs. The SketchUp import wizard can be launched from the Venue tab or from the File menu under Import Venue. Note that a keyboard shortcut can also be defined for this command. Navigate to the file location of the SketchUp model using File Explorer and click Open to launch the wizard. A pop-up window displays a preview and information about the SketchUp model. This includes layers and transformation tools. Unchecking layers will exclude them from the model, for example layers that contain unnecessary information used to create the venue. The transformation controls allow the user to change the origin and ensure the venue is orientated on the correct axis. Once imported, the Venue tab displays the model with each surface defined by a layer color which is inherited from the SketchUp model.